students, I welcome you all to my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi with the chapter Ratio and Proportion for the topic Number Based Problems we will be discussing, which is the part 6 and type 4. So let us see the first problem of today's session. The ratio of the number of boys to that of girls. We know the ratio of boys to the girls in a school having 504 total number of students. That means total how many students are there? 504 students are there, and they are divided among the ratio of 13 is to 11 of boys to girls. Okay, so 13 plus 11 total how many? To according to the ratio, total value is 24x, right? 13 plus 11 gives me 24x, which is equals to 504. When I divide this is going to give me, it is divisible by 8. Let us multiply this 21. What will be the new ratio if 3 more girls are admitted? So this gives me 234 and this is 273. If it is possible to reduce it furthermore, we will of course do that, or else this is only the final answer. So this way we can simplify this type of problem. It is so easy calculation, just give it a try. Let's look to the next example. The ratio of the number of ladies to that of gents at a party was 3:2. When 20 more gents joined, how many gents joined? 20 more gents joined the party. The ratio was reversed. Reversed means 3:2 has become 2:3. So the number of ladies present at the party was. So if we try to simplify this question by the basic method, how we will be doing? 3x ladies are there and gents are 2x. Ladies are those many only. उतनी ही लेडीज है, सिर्फ जेंट्स और ज्यादा इंक्लूड हो गए हैं पार्टी में. लेडीज अभी भी 3x ही है. जेंट्स has joined, 20 more gents have joined. Okay, so after joining 20 more gents, the ratio has reversed. That means it has become 2:3. Now we simply have to simplify this equation to get the answer. This is the basic method. So how are we going to deal this problem with the help of shortcut method? Let's see that. So first of all, gents change हो रहे हैं, gents, right? This quantity is getting changed. We simply have to try to make the value same for ladies. Here the ladies were 3x. Here the ladies 2y we have. Values are different because it is the ratio value, reduced value, not the actual value. But according to the question, the value for the ladies should be same because the quantity is getting changed for gents, not for ladies. So what we will be doing, we will try to make these two values same. So 2 and 3, we can make it same by making it 6. Right? So here I will be multiplying it by 2. So this gives me 6:4 and this gives me 6:9. Now we can see we have made it same. Original ratio or new ratio में original values should be same because we are not doing any changes. We are neither increasing the value for ladies nor decreasing. So of course it will be same in both the cases. So 6:4, 6:9. Now whatever the changes has been done, it has only been done in boys, in gents. So 4 to 9, the difference is of 5x, which is equivalent to 20. So x value is going to be 4. As soon as we get the value for x, what they have asked, the number of ladies present at the party. So here we will be multiplying it by 4. So this gives me 24 and 16. So initially 24 ladies were there, 16 gents were there. After joining 20 more gents, now the gents quantity has changed. Ladies quantity is still 24, but the gents has become 36. That is why the ratio is reversed. Okay, we can divide this further by 12. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. This is the answer. 24 ladies were there initially at the party. Next example is the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls. Boys ratio with girls is 5:4 and the total how many students are there? 432 students are there, but according to ratio it is 9x. So by 48 if I multiply, this is going to give me the quantity actual value for boys and girls. 240 plus 192 is going to give me 432 again. when some new boys and girls are admitted, the number of boys increase by 12. तो boys का तो उन्होंने बता दिया है कि 12 आए हैं, but girls कितनी आई है that we don't know. How many girls have come, that has not been disclosed in the question. That is only missing. We have to find it. And the ratio of the boys to girls changes to 7 is to 6. So what we will be doing? Here I am showing you the shortcut way. So this is 252 ratio 192 plus x, which is equals to 7 is to 6. I'll show you the basic method also for this particular question. Now 252 boys has to be 252 only. So 7 में मैं किसका multiply करूँ कि 252 आ जाए, or else this 252 I will divide it by 7 to cross check what number to be multiplied here, so that the value gets changed. By 36 I will be multiplying. So 216 girls are there after increment, but before increment it was 192. So the value for x will be 216 minus 192, which will give the answer. This will be 24 girls we have increased. How many girls got admitted? 24 boys. 12 boys have joined and 24 girls have joined. So if we want to do this question by the basic method, how we will be doing it? So first of all, 5 ratio 4, and the total number of students, how many are there? 9x, which is equals to 432. From here, as we get the value for x, which is 48, right? 48 will be multiplied here. Till here, everything will be same, till here. Now 240 and 192. This is the boys ratio girls, which is 240 divided by 192. Now 12 boys have joined, but how many girls have joined, that is missing, and the ratio has become 7 is to 6. Quickly we have to simplify this to get our answer. So the value of x, that means the new girls admitted to the school. Now this problem you have to simplify by yourself and give your answer in the comment box.